Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top. If you can't find it, select this gear instead. Scroll down and tap on Voice Input. Now tap on Samsung or Google One in order to activate it. And after you decide it, just go back. Now you can click on Finally Visible Microphone and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on this button with a microphone. You can start again by tapping on the same, now white one. If you wish to go back completely, use this arrow at the top left corner of your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!